Hello, good morning. Look at that. It's fishing conference, no, fishing competition. All you can see white. The ducklings, they're even chasing each other. The ducklings flying high, flying low. I think fishing competition. They're there. I was chasing them in the morning. Now they're here. Ooh, how they gonna do the competition? Who's gonna catch first? Can you see? Ducks and egret. Look at that. They're flying, having fun, but they're so squeezy. Who knows who can catch? It's not that cold, ducklings. And the Texas big bird like Ingrid, they're even chasing each other. Ooh, they made me walk to the morning. Oh, ooh, beautiful. As much closer I go, they go far away. Good morning, ducklings. Oh, they always stay together. There's something to learn. Oh, here they're chasing each other. It's like sign language, like I'm gonna catch the big one. Let me go first. No, you go first. Right, ducklings? Have a wonderful morning. Yes, give me little fly. I like to see the wings. They're flying. Patiently waiting for catching few bird, like catching few fish. That's all they want. Good luck, ducklings. They're still waiting. The fish school will come and they will nibble.